Hello students. In the last video we have seen some examples regarding to word problems of linear equation in one variable. I hope so you have seen those examples. Now today also I am here with little different examples. Look this example, you will come to know that what is the small changes are there in those examples. The difference between two whole numbers is 66. The difference between two whole numbers is 66. The ratio of the two numbers is 2:5. The ratio of the two numbers is 2:5. What are the two numbers? What we are going to find out? What are the two numbers? Are you going to understand? Like that examples also, like that same type of not, but like that ratio examples we have seen before that. Maybe you are little reminding. In this type of examples, means when the ratio is given and we have to find out one or the other quantity or one or the other thing which is related to the example, that time we have to consider the common multiple. We have to consider what? Common multiple. And by using that common multiple, we have to find out the further values of that respective example. The common multiple means what? Look here, I am going to show you. You will come to know that. I am going to start this example. Listen carefully. Look here. The difference between two whole numbers means two whole numbers are there. The difference is given 66. The ratio of the two numbers is 2:5. What are the two numbers? Okay, listen. Solution. What we are going to consider, look here, you will come to know that what are the two numbers we are going to consider over here. We are going to find out over here two numbers, but we are not going to consider two numbers. We are going to consider its common multiple. You are getting? We have to consider here common multiple, and that common multiple we have to multiply with this ratio. First of all, I will write what is given. Given the ratio is 2:5 and the difference is 66. The ratio is what? 2:5 and the difference is what? 66. Difference in between two whole numbers. Okay. Now what I told you, we have to consider common multiple. Let us consider common multiple. Let us consider common multiple x. You have to consider common multiple. We have considered x. Okay. Then the numbers are. Then the numbers are. What we have to do? We have to multiply this common multiple to this given ratio. Multiply now x into first number and then x into second number. Then the numbers are x into 2, 2x, and x into 5, 5x. Got idea? Okay. Understood how to multiply this one? We have to consider if like that ratio given by any given by regarding to the ratio or it's very important. Listen here. If like that ratio is given related to any type of, suppose angles are there, suppose sides are there, now numbers are here, maybe any quantity they can use over here. Okay, or anything they can use over here. In case of examples, that time simply we have to consider when the ratio is given, that time only. Remember that I am telling. Listen here. When the ratio is given, in case of any type of number, any type of sides, any type of angles, that time what we have to do? We have to consider a common multiple and we have to multiply to this, and we have to follow the next condition. That next condition will give us answer. How that condition will give us answer? Look here. What we have did here, let us consider common multiple x, then the numbers are 2x and 5x. Now by given condition we get, now by given condition we get, what is the condition? This is the condition. What? The difference between two numbers I have written here, and the difference is 66. Difference between the two numbers. Now numbers are here in front of us, then the numbers are 2x and 5x. Then the difference means how do we have to write? 5x minus 2x. Difference means what? Subtraction. Okay, 5x minus 2x is equal to 66. Solve this. 5x minus 2x, 3x is equal to 66. Divide this. x is equal to 66 divided by 3. Okay, so x is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. What we got? We got here the value of common multiple. X is equal to 22. Then the numbers are numbers we have, what we have got here, numbers 2x and 5x. Are you looking these numbers? 2x and 5x. Okay, then first number is 2x, means 2 into x की value 22, that is equal to what? 44. Second number is what? 5x, means 5 into 22, that is equal to, multiplication is what? 110. Then those two whole numbers are whose subtraction is what? 66. Those two numbers are 44 and 110. Got idea? Once again I repeat, look here. In this example we are going to find out two numbers, those who are whole numbers, and difference is given 66, and those numbers are in the ratio 2:5. If like that ratio is given in case of any example regarding to sides, regarding to angles, regarding to numbers, okay, then that time first of all we have to consider the common multiple, and after considering common multiple, that common multiple we have to multiply it with the ratio, and after multiplying we have to use the first condition which is given over here, and we have to find out the value of x. X is nothing but common multiple, and that common multiple we have to multiply with that we have got value. Okay, that value means we have got value means these we have written over here, no, we have to multiply to this, we will get the answer. Okay, now next again one example I have written here. Look this example. Raju has a total of rupees 590 as a currency. Look here, it's very important. Raju has a total of rupees 590 as the currency notes in the denomination of rupees 50, rupees 20 and rupees 10. The ratio of number of rupees 50 notes and the rupees 20 notes is 3:5. If he has total of 25 notes, how many notes of each denomination he has? Means what is meaning by this? Look here, Raju is having 590 rupees. Okay, Raju is having how many rupees? 590 rupees. In that 590 rupees he is having how many means it's very important. Look here, how many types of notes? Look here, Raju has 590 rupees. In this 590 rupees he is having 50 rupees notes, 20 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. Okay, how many types of notes are there? 3 types of notes are there. Which one? Rupees 50, rupees 20 and rupees 10. In which rupees 50 and rupees 20, those two notes are in the ratio 3:5. Those two notes are in the ratio 3:5. Like that Raju is having 25 notes. Raju is having how many notes? 25 notes. Then we have to find out 50 rupees how many notes are there, 20 rupees how many notes are there and 10 rupees how many notes are there. Got idea? Okay, once again I repeat, look here, राजू के पास 590 रुपीज़ है, उसमें 3 टाइप्स के नोट्स है. हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ नोट्स आर देयर? 3 टाइप्स, 50, 20 एंड 10 इस रुपीज़ के नोट्स है. उसमें 50 और 20 रुपीज़ के नोट्स 3:5 रेशियो में है. ओके, टोटल अगर नोट्स देखा जाए, नोट्स की क्वांटिटी देखी जाए तो 25 नोट्स है उसके पास. तो हमें ये पता लगाना है अभी उसके पास 50 रुपीज़ के कितने नोट्स है, 20 रुपीज़ के कितने नोट्स है और 10 रुपीज़ के कितने नोट्स है. Okay, how to find out this? Look, I am going to show you. You will come to know that. Okay, listen here. First of all, what you will do, as you know that very well, here ratio is given, means we have to consider the common multiple. Okay, मैंने तुमको पहले ही बोला, इधर देखो ये जो रेशियो दिया है ये नंबर्स के बारे में दिया है. अभी जो रेशियो दिया है इधर एग्जाम्पल में मैंने तुमको दिखाया. ओके, ये जो रेशियो दिया है 3:5 ये नोट्स के बारे में दिया है. वो एंगल के बारे में दे सकते हैं, साइड के बारे में दे सकते हैं, किसी के बारे में भी अगर दिया जाए तो पहले हमें क्या करना है? कॉमन मल्टीपल कंसिडर करना है. ओके, कॉमन मल्टीपल क्या करना है? कंसिडर करना है. बाय यूजिंग दैट वी हैव टू प्रोसीड फर्दर, मीन्स लाइक दैट. लुक हियर, लेट अस कंसिडर कॉमन मल्टीपल एक्स. आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस एग्जांपल. लिसन, सॉल्यूशन हियर, कंसिडर common multiple Here consider common multiple x. Okay, here consider common multiple x, and these common multiple we have to use for ratio only. Okay, then ratio is given 3:5. समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? रेशियो क्या दिया है हमें? 3:5. Am I right? Okay, and that 3:5 ratio is given regarding to the 50 rupees notes and 20 rupees notes. Okay, then the notes we will get here. Then the rupees 50 notes and the rupees 20 notes are here consider common multiple x. Then the rupees 50 notes and rupees 20 notes, यानी कि 50 रुपीज़ और 20 रुपीज़ के नोट्स कितने होंगे? रेशियो क्या दिया है 3:5. तो x से पहले 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. देखो फिर से एग्जांपल दिखा देता हूं तुम्हें. देखो इधर, ये देखो, रुपीज़ 50 नोट्स एंड रुपीज़ 20 नोट्स इज 3:5. तो वो रेशियो हमने कॉमन मल्टीपल एक्स कंसिडर किया, तो पहले 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, बाद में 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, then the rupees 50 notes and rupees 20 notes are 3x and 5x. 3x and 5x. Got idea about it? Do you understand what I have written here? I hope so you are getting little idea about it. Next, look here. But Raju is having total 25 notes, and those 25 notes, in those 25 notes, not only 50 and 20 rupees notes are there, but also one type of note is there. Which one? That one? 10 rupees notes. Are you getting what I am saying? But he is having 25 notes. But he is having how many notes? 25 notes. Then the number of 10 rupees notes कितने होंगे? Then the number of 10 rupees notes, we have to subtract 50 rupees notes and 20 rupees notes from 25 notes. Then the number of, are you getting what I am saying? Then the number of 10 rupees, I will write here rupees 10 notes. Then the number of rupees 10 notes is equal to 25 notes में से हमें क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करने होगा, क्या करना पड़ेगा? नंबर ऑफ 50 रुपीज़ नोट्स एंड नंबर ऑफ 20 रुपीज़ नोट्स माइनस 3x प्लस 5x प्लस क्यों? We have to add these notes and we have to subtract from 25. Then remaining notes are 10 rupees notes. 25 minus 3x plus 5x, 8x. Means 10 rupees notes how many? 25 minus 8x. How many 10 rupees notes are there? 25 minus 8x. Next. Now from 50 rupees notes, from 20 rupees notes and from 10 rupees notes, how much amount we are getting? That amount we will find out. As like coins, in the last video I have shown you one example regarding the coins. After finding the number of coins, we have multiplied with that real cost. Same thing we will do. Now we know how many 50 rupees 3x notes are there, 20 rupees 5x notes are there, and 10 rupees 25 minus 8x notes are there. Now we will find out the real cost. Okay, how we can find out the real cost? Look here. Now from rupees 50 notes, from rupees 50 notes, what we are getting? Look here, 3x into 50. How many notes are there? 3x into 50 means rupees 150x. Rupees 150x. 50 into 3, 150x as it is. Next, from rupees 20 notes, 20 notes, 5x into 20, 5x into 20. Am I right? 5x into 20 कितना होता है? देखो इधर, 2 5s are 10, यानी कि रुपीज़ 100x. Now what is remaining? 10 rupees. From rupees 10 notes, here look, 25 minus 8x into 10, multiply. 25 25 into 10 250 प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस 10 into 8 80x हमें मिला इधर ₹250 minus 80x. Got idea? I hope so you are getting little idea about it. Now look here. Now we got here 50 रुपीज़ के नोट्स में से हमें कितने रुपीज़ मिलेंगे? ₹150x. 20 रुपीज़ के नोट्स में से ₹100x एंड 10 रुपीज़ के नोट्स में से हमें कितने रुपीज़ मिलेंगे? 250 minus 80x. But real amount is given to us. What is the real amount is given? Look here. Raju has a total of 590 rupees. Means when we are adding those 50 rupees amount, those 20 rupees amount, that 10 rupees amount, that total amount is what? 590. Then first of all what we will do? We will find out the total amount of those rupees. Hence total money he has. Who is having? Raju is having. What is 150x plus 100x plus 250 minus 80x. We will solve this. What we are getting? See, 150 plus 100x plus 250 minus 8x. What we will get? See, 150 plus 100. First of all what we will do? Subtraction we will do. 100 minus 80 20. Okay, 100 minus 80 20 and 150 plus 20 170x plus 250 as it is. Means total amount the Raju is having, that is what? Rupees 170x plus 250. Now look here, by given condition. What is condition? Total amount is there. What is that total amount? Total amount is equal to, हमने total amount क्या find out किया है? 170x plus 250. But here total amount we know 590. That we will put here 170x plus 250 is equal to 590. We want to find out here x. Transfer this 250. 170x is equal to 590 minus 250. 170x is equal to 170x is equal to 340. Therefore x is equal to 340 divided by 170, that is equal to what? 2. That is equal to, x is equal to what we got? 2. Got idea? I will write here x is equal to 2. Okay, then we will find out now. Here 50 rupees 50 notes, rupees 20 notes and rupees 10 notes. देखो rupees 50 notes, rupees 20 notes and rupees 10 notes. We will find out by putting this value. अभी हम क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे? 50 रुपीज़ के नोट्स कितने हैं, 20 रुपीज़ के नोट्स कितने हैं और 10 रुपीज़ के नोट्स कितने हैं. ओके, अभी इधर देखो 50 रुपीज़ के नोट्स हमने क्या कंसिडर किए थे? 50 रुपीज़ नोट्स 3x, 20 रुपीज़ नोट्स 5x and 8 रुपीज़ नोट्स 25 minus 8x. Got idea? 25 minus 8x we will put here. That will get 50 rupees notes 3x, 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Okay, then next 5x, 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. Then 25 minus 8x, 25 minus 8 into 2, that is equal to, देखो इधर 25 minus 8 into 2, that is equal to 25 minus 16, that is equal to what? 9. Means 50 rupees note 6, 20 rupees notes 10 and 10 rupees notes 9. Okay, total देखो 10 plus 6, 16 plus 9, 25. तो टोटल नोट्स कितने हो गए? 25. गॉट आइडिया? तो ऐसे एग्जाम्पल ये सॉल्व करना है. ध्यान से अगर देखोगे तो तुम्हें पता चलेगा कैसे सॉल्व करना है. ऑडियो फिर से सुनो, समझ में आएगा. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो बता सकते हो. ओके, आई विल शो यू दिस फॉर नोट्स पर्पस. देखो ये पहला एग्जाम्पल मैंने आज तुम्हें सॉल्व करके दिखाया है। देन नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल मैंने दिखाया, ये दूसरा एग्जाम्पल। ये सॉल्विंग ऐसे करना है। What we have to consider regarding to that, this example is that we have to consider common multiple if the ratio is given, and by using that common multiple we have to find out the values. Those notes are like that. I hope so you got idea about it. Remaining points will continue in the next video. Thank you.